Hello, beautiful souls. Hope you're feeling amazing today, wherever you are on this beautiful green and blue ball we call planet Earth. And today I would love to bring through some light codes with my light language transmission for throat chakra healing, which is very important in order for us to express ourselves better, to speak our truth, to stand up for ourselves. To stand up for our rights. So I invite you to take a few long, slow, deep breaths. Open your heart. Tune in and feel the healing frequencies coming through. Absorb them, but in your energetic field, in your consciousness, into your soul. Ramakitayata kotok umatia kata unahatea. Unahatea kata shua tikia atia kata umakate iata ayata. Shukutukumayata atekiata. Esa shtuk umikiara kata tu usta kuat. Ramakata umayata kiata. Yakashtaka unakata iya shakata anakata dia. Shumakataya. Shumakataya. Shumata. 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 Tayaka. All my love.